Hey guys, this is the Scarlett Solo USB audio interface and this is used to connect a XLR microphone to a computer. In this video, I shall be doing a quick unboxing and review of this USB audio interface. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside. So in the box we see this USB interface. A USB cable has been provided which is used to connect this interface to the computer, and we get some safety instructions here. So let's take a closer look at this unit. So this is powered with the USB cable and this connects directly to the computer. Talking about the build quality, it looks very good and feels very premium. It's completely made out of metal and painted in red color. It's very compact and does not occupy much space. Looking at the front side of this unit, all the dials are firmly attached and looks very neat. So now let's go through the inputs and the dials that are located here. The first one is the XLR input, and this is the first channel of input source. There is a gain control knob here next to this input source. It lights up green around this knob when the signal is good and turns red when we start to clip. Below the gain control knob is the phantom power button. This lights up red when pressed, indicating that it is supplying the required 48 volt phantom power to the condenser microphone. The next section is the second channel of input. This is the 1/4 inch or the 6.3 millimeter jack, and next to it we have the gain control knob with the same features as the channel 1. Below we see a switch to toggle between instrument and line. If we are plugging in a guitar or a keyboard, then we need to set this in the instrument mode. If you plan to connect a microphone here that does not need a phantom power, then we need to set it to the line option. We can use both the inputs in channel 1 and channel 2 simultaneously to record voice and instrument together. And in the last section here we see a 1/4 inch headphone jack for live monitoring of the sound. We can turn on or turn off the direct monitoring using this switch above. There is a big dial here for increasing or decreasing the sound level that is coming out of this headphone jack. The live monitoring has a good sound and it outputs a zero latency sound. Let's take a look at the back side of this interface. Here we see this USB 2.0 interface which is used to connect this to the PC. Next to this we have the RCA outputs for the left and right channels separately, and this can be used to connect to other audio interfaces such as loudspeakers and amplifiers. The live audio monitoring knob in the front can be used to adjust the audio levels that comes out of this outputs. At the bottom here we see a couple of rubber strips that serve as feet and also prevents the unit from sliding around on the table. So now let me go ahead and make quick connections to this interface so that I can record from this interface. Okay guys, so I have made all the necessary connections, and as you can see I have connected the Rode NT1A microphone to the XLR input here, and this needs phantom power, which is because it's a condenser microphone. So let me go ahead and switch on this button. I will also plug in a headphone in this monitoring jack for monitoring the live audio. Currently you're listening to the audio from this interface, and I have plugged in the Rode NT1A condenser microphone to the XLR input here. I believe that the sound now should be really good. The noise level is very low when the gain is at the medium level. It outputs high quality audio that's clear and crisp with sample rates up to 192 kHz and 24-bit rates. The best thing is that it has live zero latency monitoring. The ring LED color indicator around the gain control knob is a cool feature to give you a visual representation as to when we are clipping. So I'll just increase the gain now, and you can see that it will now turn red and we are clipping. So this interface also provides the 48 volt phantom power for the condenser microphone, which is a great feature. When it comes to choosing audio interfaces, I believe this is a great choice for starters. It's ideal for artists to record audio from home or for people who do podcasting and YouTube videos. It's compatible with Windows and Mac OS as well. There are other models that have more than one XLR input and more than one line inputs. For example, the Focusrite 2i2, 2i4, 6i6 and 18i8 are also available. So guys, I hope this review was useful to you. If so, please do give this video a like and share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day.